What's good, everybody? It's 5:22 a.m. I'm gonna make a quick breakdown going over this EU position that I just capitalized off of. So as you can see, it's a 1 to 3 risk reward opportunity, 43 pips of reward for a risk of 14 pips. So overall, the market is moving very bearish, lots of lower high points and lower lows being made throughout this area. Lots of tight movement, I must say, but at the end of the day, these structure areas are being maintained, so I continue to flow with the trend. Lower low, lower high point. The main thing that stood out to me was this lower high point that happened right here at this black line where you see we had a minor level of support, lower low, lower high, and it was pretty much like a break and retest type of thing in my eyes. All throughout this 30-minute time frame in my area of interest, we have lots of bearish candle confirmations happening. And then also as I go down to the 15-minute, I can see all these time frames are all in sync. Everything is aligned. You can see the moving average choking the hell out of price up in this area right here, which is a great sign to see as well. And I enter right here off the 15-minute time frame, bearish engulfing. Stop loss is above this level of Confluence, above the moving average, just out of the way of fluctuation, giving it enough room to breathe. 14 pips. And my TP, usually I use the fib target for my TP, so it would have been down here. But at the end of the day, on a Friday, I just wanted to just capitalize off of this setup